Hey, it's Ponyboy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make dairy-free, gluten-free, vegetarian, peanut butter chocolate flavored coconut milk ice cream. And this is what you'll need. Free-range organic large egg, half a cup of organic fair trade cane sugar, 3 tablespoons of it in a separate container, 3 tablespoons of organic peanut butter, unsalted and unsweetened, 1 13.5 fluid ounce can of organic coconut milk, full fat. Cannot be light coconut milk or it will not work. It will be way too thin and icy. 1 teaspoon of organic fair trade vanilla extract, more if you like very strong ice cream. 1/3 of a cup of organic fair trade chocolate chips they also have to be dairy free in a small thick bottomed saucepan. V8 ice cream maker or other kind of ice cream maker, a KitchenAid stand mixer with the whisk attachment, a large rubber spatula, and a spoon. Okay, so now that you have all of your ingredients, turn on your stove to the lowest setting and put the saucepan over it with the chocolate chips and start stirring. You need to constantly stir these as they burn very easily, and you don't want that. So it should take about a minute or a little bit longer, and then I'll show you what it'll look like after that. Okay, so now that you've been mixing for a while, it should look something like this. Should be very smooth, no chunks. It shouldn't be burnt. It should smell very sweet and rich. So now that you've done that, you can just set that aside, not on the hot burner because that could burn it. And I'll show you what to do next. Now while your chocolate's cooling, you're going to add the 3 tablespoons of sugar to the stand mixer bowl, the 1 large egg, and then you're going to put the head down and turn it on low to combine the two. Gradually turning the speed higher. Now turn it to the highest and wait for a few minutes and scrape it down every 2 minutes and beat it for about 8 minutes. Simple enough. Now you should have added your peanut butter to the chocolate and stir vigorously, scraping down the sides. Keep it all in the saucepan until it's completely mixed. That looks about good. Now, after beating for about 8 minutes, your mixture should be very pale, almost white. And when you lift it with the spatula, it should be very thick, and it should sit on the surface for at least 7 seconds. Now, before you add any other ingredients, you're going to want to add your vanilla right here. Pour that right in there, and then let that mix on low speed for about a minute. Now, after the vanilla has been mixed in, you should add your sugar, and then add your coconut milk. Your coconut milk might look something like this, really thick and chunky. That's fine. And it should look like that if you refrigerated it, which you want to do for ice cream. And now once you've added that, beat it for a minute. Okay, now that your mixture has been beaten for a while, it should look like this. And you should have your ice cream maker prepared. Pour all of the base right in there. This one is slightly grainy. That was because I used coconut milk that was too cold. You could warm yours up a little bit before you use it if you don't want that to happen, but it really won't hurt anything. And now put the lid on and start churning. Oh, and that peanut butter mixture you made, that will be added at the end. Right before you take it out, put that in and lightly stir it, and then it'll get all chunky and delicious. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.